Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can fix the Valorant error code 43. So make sure that you stay until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important steps or information that I am going to show you. So let's get on it. If you want to fix the Valorant error code 43, what you'll need to do first is to simply restart the game. So close down your Valorant game and then just reopen it after a few minutes. So this should restart the client side settings, allowing you to connect without errors. And then next, what you can do is to delete the Riot client setting file. So if restarting your game fails to resolve the error, you can try to delete the Riot client setting file. So this will reset all of your client setting and allow you to connect without errors. And then if these two steps fail to resolve the issue, you can try to repair your game files and so you need to go to the Valorant launcher and then just simply select on the repair from the drop down menu. So this should detect any missing or corrupted files and fix them. And you can also try some standard error fixing methods such as restarting your computer, reinstalling the game, and disabling any third-party antivirus. And if you still face the Valorant error code 43, it is most likely due to a server issue. So you can try again after some time and the problem should be resolved. So hopefully this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.